Oh, we got a greasy old pole. Hell yeah. Good old Smith & Wesson. Oh yeah, still a bunch of hardware down here. Dirty old greasy basket that was packed full of so much muck. Yeah, a dirty old chair. Alrighty folks, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood here. We've been driving around for all morning basically. Now it's after 8 o'clock and we finally found a place that wasn't packed full of people. So hopefully no other fishermen show up, because I try to give them a wide berth, you know. You start chucking in a big old magnet and making big old splashes. That's not too kind to the fishermen, you hear. So we're gonna do it here. Nobody here but us. Let's get to it before everybody shows up. Fishing bell. Pretty crusty. Oh, we got something. A lure. Nice little lure. Ain't a whole lot in here. We've been here for about a half hour already. And not much. Oh, something big. Oh, we got a greasy old pole. There you have it, a big old water pipe. Hell yeah, good old Smith & Wesson. Hot dang. Is that some mother of pearl on there or plastic? Well, they broke the tip, unfortunately. It's pretty doggone rusty. Although it does function, but it doesn't stay up. But we got a good old Smith & Wesson knife. Nonetheless, made in China. Oh yeah. Quality with a K. And a little piece of junk stuck under it. From 2012. Let's get to it. Very mucky here, so we're gonna do a lot of bouncing up and down in the muck. We got a big bite already. Come on, baby. Big bite. Okay, a big old greasy bolt. And a hairpin. And a bottle cap. What's your variety? Michelob. Meh. The dark one. Oh yeah, still a bunch of hardware down here. Bunch of nuts and bolts and fence staples and everything you could ever dream of. Part of a old sign. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Bath. All right, all right, all right.
All right, all right, all right. Oh, Christ.
Well, we got a paring knife. Like a lag bolt. A bunch of, I guess they're rusted through nails. What flavor we got here? Angry Orchard. Some adult apple juice there. And a beautiful little paring knife. Cute old chap. Wowzers. Yeah, talk about still being absolutely loaded with stuff. So many nails, Big old spikes. Square nails even. There's something very big right down here. I'm having some trouble getting up. Just gotta find it again. It was real big. It should be pretty doggone easy to find. It was really big. I had a big old clunk. Now I can't find it. But I guarantee it's down here. Whatever it is. Might as well show you this stuff real quick. A burnt nail and a bunch of junk. Okay. The burnt nail is junk too. At least we're getting the fishing line out.
Self-justification describes how, when a person encounters cognitive dissonance, or a situation in which a person's behavior is inconsistent with their beliefs.
Hold, please. Okay, we're on it, but we're gonna have to do a little bit of bouncing. It's so deeply stuck in the muck. I'm having to let it fall and pull it back up gently to try to release all them bubbles. It's very big and I keep breaking off of it. Whatever it is, it's held very deeply in the muck. All right, we got a piece of something. A piece of it, I think. Okay, I think there's a whole wheelie chair down here. Like a, an office chair.
Yeah, I believe you have my stapler.
But we're gonna keep on trying. We ripped up a piece of whatever it is. I think that's what it is. I think it's an office chair. Get a little bit higher. Every inch, 1 inch at a time. This chair's making me lose my mind. If that's what it is. Oh, I think we're doing pretty good now. I'll put you on the old hat here. Stop there. Another inch. 1 inch at a time. Another inch. We're getting out of the muck. Another inch. Oh yeah, that's how you do it, people. 1 inch at a time. Ah, you rat bastard. And we lost it. I guess we went a little too fast now. Story of my life. It's almost up. Come on. Come on. You're almost there. You're almost there. It is a dirty, old, greasy, oh God. Wowzers. No, don't lose it, you bastard. Yeah, a dirty old chair. Wowzers. No, I can't even get the damn thing up. No. We're hanging on by a thread. We just lost her. No. That took way too long. I don't even want to admit how long that just took me to get that damn thing up out of here. I've been sitting in this same spot for an hour. Damn it, man. Damn it. There's like some sort of sensor here too, off of a vehicle. BE. I don't know. It almost looks like a fuel trim, like something that controls your fuel trims on an engine. That little plate like that. Would have been a hole that goes in there. I don't know. Don't quote me. But it's made out of brass. But the sensor part isn't. Ah, we're stuck on a fishing pole. Come on, no! We're stuck on a fishing pole. Please be magnetic. Oh, look at that. Lebco. Somebody got stuck up in the weeds and now it's seized. Okay, we got something big again. And it's not wanting to come up. So we're gonna do the pull it up, let it sit, let the bubbles come up. Oh, we lost her. It ain't wanting to do that. Not one bit. Okay, we got something. I worked it up and down and up and down and up and down. And whatever the hell, ow, my fingers. Oh, we got a shotgun shell too. Federal, 7/8, 1/8 ounce. 3 dram. Another shotgun shell. Whatever the hell this thing is. Don't know. Okay. Big old tapered washers. Bunch of big old iron down here. Burnt iron too. Come on, get off of there. Oh well, you can stay then. You're gonna be a bugger. Get off of there. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, we finally got her up, folks. 2 Viagras later, 2 hours later, we got her up and strong.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's right, baby.
Ready to take on the day. There she is. It's a dirty old greasy basket.
Oh, that's greasy.
That's really f***ing greasy.
Yeah, that's greasy. Greasy.
That was packed full of so much muck. Holy cow. It's a basket. I guess somebody was using it as a trap. The old Trapper Keeper. Trapper Keeper 500. It felt like there was more than just that down there. Good Lord, this thing felt huge. We just, oh, I forgot we tied her off. Let's see if that was it. It felt like there was more than just that. Something else. Okay, we got a little froggy. Shotgun shell. Let's try a big throw. Decent throw. I'm getting tired. Just tired. Oh yeah. All right, everybody. It's gonna have to do her. We got our beautiful basket. I don't know what that was off of. This doohickey. Made in China fishing pole. A couple knives, you know. Got a sardine lid. A bunch of old greasy shotgun shells. Oh yeah, our chair. I couldn't find that damn chair again. I looked for another half hour and I could not get another bite on it. It's like it got sucked into a black hole, I swear. Oh, a couple knives. I already told you all that. We got a nice little paring knife. And we got our beautiful half-ass broken other knife. It's in here, Smith & Wesson. You've seen it. There you have it. A whole bunch of other stuff. I had fun. Here it is, Smith & Wesson.
I'm in danger!
Ow. Don't stab yourself, idiot.
Are you stupid or what? Did you hear what I said?
And we'll see y'all on the next. It's hot, I swear. Y'all get out here and deal with mid 90 degree heat for 9 months out of the year. It sucks.